Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Kindle Paperwhite 8 GB and checking all box accessories that comes with it. So right here I have a box. We can open it from bottom down or top, and here's the top one. I would recommend doing it on top in case you get the sticker right here. It should be much easier. We already cut it just to see if everything was fine, and now let's remove the carton like that. Inside there's our Kindle, and it's a black version protected by some foil. That's fine. On the bottom you can open a small box, and inside there's a USB cable. It's USB to USB-C. There's also an information on how to charge it and power on your Kindle. On the back you can find the more information card with multiple languages. There's also a warranty and instructions, also in multiple languages. And that's basically all of the accessories that comes with this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.